Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning to all. Hello dear students, learners. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Those who are watching with us, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rafiqul Islam. Beginning of my lecture, welcome to Bakulia High School online class. Got my point, dear students? Today, I would like to inform, discuss or participate in my another important class 9 to 10, and this class topic's name is rearrange, or how do you get easy or full mark about to rearrange. Okay, dear student, I have written some important features or topics on the board. Rearrange making. First of all, famous person biography. Second one, moral story. Third one, particular incident. Isn't it, dear students? Okay, at this time I will explain first point, famous person biography. Again said that famous person biography. So dear students, in this important point will come the question like that: important person biography. The greatest scientist Albert Einstein, greatest novelist person Humayun Ahmed, Begum Rokeya, Dr. Alfred Bernard Nobel, etc. And the moral stories we can see are clear evident that, like that lion and mouse story, hare and tortoise story, thirsty crow, etc. And the particular incident like that World War made the international language English. Okay, isn't it, dear students? At this time, I will explain some important topics to relate the famous person biography. Got my point, dear student? Look at the book. Follow two methods about famous person biography. Isn't it, dear student? Be attentive in my lecture what I say. Okay. So, dear students, first of all, you can see in the board identity of person. Again said that in this point, identity of person. Okay. In this point, clear to evident that or two relates once upon a time, or all of you have heard of the name, or once. These types of sentence will include in this point. Isn't it, dear students? And next, born. It means that or indicates to where and where. Identity of parents. In this point, explain to relate like that both terms with generation. Okay. Childhood period. It means that to pass the early life and obtain the degree, he has completed any scholarship degree. Okay. Then special research or analysis, author, novel, drama, poem. Okay. And we can or we know that according to literary theory, Paradise Lost also published by John Milton. Okay. Reward, award or prize. So in this point, clear evident that or clarify Dr. Alfred Nobel is also invented dynamite. Okay. Disease and death at the age of death, and at the last point, remember, recall, oblivion, etc. Okay, dear students, hope you have understood about this follow to method about famous biography. Isn't it, dear students? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, dear students, at this time I will explain famous or renowned person biography such that Dr. Alfred Bernard Nobel. Dr. Alfred Bernard Nobel. Hope that you have heard of the name. So, dear students, be attentive in my lecture what I say. Don't make annoyance on the online class. Dear students, look at the board. At this time, I have to read in the whole famous or renowned biography. Rearrange making. Put the following parts of the story in correct order to make the whole story. Only the corresponding numbers of sentences need to be written. Okay, first of all, I have to read in this rearrange making first to last. So, be attentive. First of all, he had ammunition business at Leningrad. He undertook a plan to give an award for encouraging the creative work. Dr. Alfred Nobel was born 21st October 1833 at Stockholm, Sweden. He earned a lot of money from his dynamite business. He was an engineer. His father, Emmanuel Nobel, was an architect and researcher. In 1850, Alfred joined his father's company. After some years, Alfred Nobel invented dynamite. Okay, dear students, at this time I will arrange in this famous person biography. Okay, all of these sentences first to come. Number 1. Dr. Alfred Nobel was born 21st October 1833 at Stockholm, Sweden. Okay, so we have to write sentences serial C. And again said that Dr. Alfred Nobel was born on 21st October 1833 at Stockholm, Sweden. So, dear students, be attentive. Okay, he was an engineer. It means that Dr. Alfred Nobel was an engineer. Okay. Then his father Emmanuel Nobel was an architect and researcher. Okay. Number 4. He had ammunition business at Leningrad. Again said that in these sentences, he had ammunition business at Leningrad. Okay. Isn't it, dear students? Then, in 1850, Alfred joined his father's company. After these sentences, after some years, Alfred Nobel invented dynamite. Okay, again said that in these sentences, after some years, Alfred Nobel invented dynamite. Okay. Then he earned a lot of money from his dynamite business. Again said that in these sentences, he earned a lot of money from his dynamite business. Okay. In this rearrange the last of sentences, he undertook a plan to give an award for encouraging the creative work. Again said that in these sentences, he undertook a plan to give an award for encouraging the creative work. So, dear students, hope understood in these rearranged sentences. Okay. Next class, you have to do bring our SW all of board 2019 rearrange. Like that, Humayun Ahmed, Dr. Kudrata Ekuda, Jibananand Das, Begum Rukia, Long Toimur, a famous astrologer. I have completed in my lecture at this moment. So I will recommend to you the present situation of the world. Prevention is better than cure. Safety is fast. Read and read. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.